Computer technology has changed boating in big ways. And I'm not just talking about installed chart plotter and radar rigs either. There are dozens and dozens of programs and websites available to us that make being a liveaboard boater safer, more efficient, and more fun. I'm going to show you the ones in the U.S. I think are the most important and useful. My Liveaboard boater go-to marine programs and websites. And, by the way, there will be a separate video for phone and tablet apps. This is the onboard life. Here they are, my Liveaboard boater go-to marine programs and websites, in no particular order. The National Weather Service websites. Say what you will about the Weather Channel or any of the other weather websites, the content on weather.gov is the most complete, detailed, and precise there is for mariners. There are what seems like a gazillion ways to find a forecast not only on land, but on the water as well. Now, I will agree with those that say the user interface is too technical, but once you get the hang of it, you'll cruise through it easily. Besides, where do you think all those other websites get their data from? The National Weather Service. So it's like wholesale shopping. Skip the middleman and go directly to the source. All of my favorite NWS links are in the description below, as are links to all the other websites I'll mention. Windy.com. I know I just gave major props to the National Weather Service, but Windy.com is very cool. They model weather patterns such as wind and waves from a variety of sources and displays them on a very hip, smooth-running interface that shows their forecast in motion. As eye candy, it's very addictive. As a weather source, I'm not sure I'd trust it from start to finish, but it definitely should be bookmarked in your browser. OpenCPN. OpenCPN is a full-featured chart plotter program that is free. You do have to download the charts from NOAA, which are also free. If you use it as a chart plotter, your computer needs to have either built-in GPS capabilities or a USB GPS puck. To be frank, we tried it as a chart plotter with little success. It was sticky and aggravated the hell out of me. And truth be told, compared to tablet chart plotters, it is obsolete. But as a route and voyage planning tool, it is my go-to program. I do all of my route planning on it. It can't be beat. CruisersNet, also known as the Salty Southeast CruisersNet. Need up-to-date route and cruising information such as missing markers, shoaling, and other obstructions? CruisersNet has got you covered. The reports on navigation hazards are timely and detailed, and there's also reports on events at destinations and about marinas and anchorages. The user interface is a bit cluttered, but just look over that. Waterwayguide.com, from the publishers of the Great Waterway Guides. It is a crowdsourced info hub like Active Captain, but with a different slant. There is just as much detail about anchorages, marinas, hazards, and local knowledge, but does have more information about destinations and events, just like the hard copy books they publish. It is thorough, detailed, and a very useful resource. And last, as already mentioned, Active Captain. I don't know what its analytics are and how many visitors reach the site every day or week or month, but if word of mouth means anything, everybody uses Active Captain for up-to-date information on everything you need to plan your onboard life adventures. Anyone can contribute information about thousands of points of interest, and it has taken things one step further by being integrated with navigation chart plotters and apps, and not just on Garmin products. Garmin owns Active Captain now. It's out in front in this type of application, and it will be interesting to see what Garmin does with it. Well, that's it. The Liveaboard boater go-to marine programs and websites. As I mentioned, there will be a video about phone and tablet apps soon. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, ask questions and make comments, and share it with everyone you know. Also, check the little bell so that you receive notifications whenever I post a new video, and connect with me on social media. Thanks for watching. See you next time on The Onboard Life.